Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to be doing some work on the Bonneville today. Tristan is here and he is going to be just basically working on it. I actually have work. I work from home, so he'll probably be working on this on his own. I got an exhaust clamp on at least on that side. We're still waiting on one for this side. And some of his other stuff's just in the mail. And we just want to show you something in the back that we discovered. Tristan came by a couple nights ago to grab something out of his trunk, and we made this discovery.
It's full of water.
It's completely full of water. We need to probably take the, I mean, that jack is probably messed up. I don't know if you can use it anymore.
It's rusted at all the points. I don't know. Maybe, but this is gross, actually.
Let's take the spare tire
I'm gonna
out
get my,
and drill this.
I'm gonna get some gloves.
Drill a drain hole.
Can I drill a drain hole? And
or it's possible there's already a drain hole on it. It's just like clogged.
I'm gonna tear the carpet off. And the
is the top carpet moldy at all? No, it's good.
No, but actually, right here a little bit, but from the inside, maybe. Because the way the water's getting in is actually the clips that clip this thing in. It's 5 bolts and a clip, or 2 clips, and the clips leak. Yeah, I didn't know they leaked that bad.
Let's go get a drill. Also wanted to mention before we get down to this, in the last video I mentioned the analytics. The 85% of our subscribers, or 85% of our viewers weren't subscribed, and that was a crazy stat. And you guys did good this last video, last day, yesterday actually. Yesterday was Monday. We got the most subscribers in a single day than we've ever had. So yeah, we're down to 84%. So you guys are still slacking. Just kidding.
Do better.
But not really.
I'm gonna take a picture of this.
Yeah, it's pretty intense.
Do better.
That's gross.
Yeah, it's just all like rust water and
I would
grossness.
Get rid of this tire. Do you even use this? Need a spare tire?
I mean, I've used it once.
These are safe to submerge in water, right? As long as the battery doesn't get submerged.
I don't know.
I'm hoping there's a drain on it and it's just clogged.
I don't think so.
All right, take that shiz out.
Fucking gross. This net is a goner. Good thing I have another net.
God. You should probably wash it. Put it in the washer or something. This is horrible.
Ew, it's all like slimy.
Good thing you have gloves.
Fucking gross.
Come on, boy. Hey Zoe, you should come look at this.
Oh no, no, no.
What?
I'm totally craving Jimmy John's, so.
I am too.
Oh, you're gonna crave Jimmy John's after this. Look at my trunk. My spare tire was drowning, and that's like a faux floor for it, and it was up over that a couple days ago.
Take it out.
Oh my gosh, that's so gross.
That is horrible. That is disgusting. My drill will reach that.
Oh my gosh.
It's all slimy.
Yeah, see, I can reach that.
Yeah, you can reach that.
So, where do you want me to drill it?
No. Let me see. That's gross. Probably.
Where's the lowest point? Is it back here?
Yeah. Let me look.
Look under the car, yeah. Where is that? Yeah, you're tapping right there. I'll drill right there.
It looks like it's just Hey, give me the camera.
Here. Don't get it wet.
Yeah, I'm getting peed on. I'm not into that, Davis. Yeah, there you go. Now it can pee like it needs to. Oh my god.
That is horrible. Now we got a drain, boys. That is.
As soon as I saw that, I was like, damn it, now I have to drill a hole in my trunk.
You have new life under the car.
Oh god. That's so disgusting. I am gonna have to throw this thing away.
Yeah.
Like, it's slimy. Hey guys, I haven't really had a chance to film any updates because I've just been pretty much under the car, plugging everything in. But so there's not a lot to show you guys, but got most of it plugged in now. I'm putting the O2 sensor in right about now. Most things have been routed. Like I said, there's not a lot to show you. Most things have been routed. After just need the injectors on the back plugged in, need to change the spark plugs, run the vacuum lines, put all new fluids in it, and besides a few more things I have to plug in like this, she's pretty much good to go. I don't know if she's gonna run today, but I'm really excited. I'm not sure if I have all the stuff for the vacuum lines, but yeah, I can definitely go to Park Groves today and do that. There's plenty of the day left. The starter, I was battling that thing for like 45 minutes to an hour just now, because with the headers on, it's just terrible to get to those studs to put the nuts back on them. Terrible, hate it, but oh well. But that's pretty much the only update I got, really. That's really the only progress I made. About to put the new PCM in, and then the intake can go in right after that. Still need to put the fan shroud with the fans back on, and that should be quick. That's only a couple bolts to put in. Hopefully, probably the biggest hurdle with this this project, this car right here, is that well, we didn't really separate any of the bolts. We didn't really put them in bags. We didn't do anything really organizational wise besides kind of keep them in separate boxes from everything else. And so it's been a huge mess. Most of putting this engine and all these parts back in, every step of the way has been a huge hurdle to get the right bolts in, and we've had to make countless runs to the parts store to get those bolts, just to get new ones that work. And what a horrible way to do anything. Don't do that. If you're working in your own garage, or really doesn't matter where you're working on your own car, keep track of your bolts. It's gonna save you way more time than it saved us. That's part of being a rookie, I guess, is learning. For Project F, we mostly we bagged everything and Sharpied it. There were a few problems with that. Sharpie rubbing off, other stuff like that, bags getting lost. But I think that is pretty much the method that we should have used with this one, and that's what I'm going to try to going into any other build and taking anything sizable off the car, because I'm just kind of done. I'm kind of tired of dealing with this bullshit that I put myself into, that we put ourselves into, and well, I'm just not going to do that anymore. So I've got most of these wires ran. Not sure where that one goes yet. Had to remove that ground because that ground it's just being a huge bitch to get to the starter. So moving our way back. We got most of this figured out. I think I've got everything in there plugged in. We're scooting. Oh shit. I don't have my cardboard. This will be like the only thing you guys see me do. I'm not even sure if I didn't expect to hold a camera and film this shit, so motherfucker. I wanted to film at least doing something today, so you guys could see that I'm actually doing something.
Ew.
Hello. I got your feet on film.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I was actually I just got the camera out. Oh, I can see you too. Hello. Well, I lied to you guys. You didn't get to see me do it. I needed 2 hands to do it. But now I'm gonna have to go get the wrench and get that tight, but it's on there. Don't look at any of this shit. All this RTV, don't look at that.
Alright guys, I'm back. Just checking up on everything going on. It looks like Tristan needs to grab a knock sensor off of the old motor. I guess we'll only put one on the back, but that's not a problem. Just looking at everything here, he's got the intake all on. He's actually got the starter all done up, and this wire harness too. Is this all done here?
It is.
That's awesome. And
I got it fished behind the harmonic balancer, so
yeah,
hopefully it doesn't ever, you know, catch a belt.
we'll just have to zip tie it up here, I think, just so it doesn't fall forward.
I think a few more zip ties too would be bueno.
Yep, and you said you got the O2 sensor on?
Yep, but not plugged in. I actually have the from my harness up to the sensor, it needs a little it needs a longer bit, and I think I have that at home.
Uh-huh.
Because I couldn't find it here. So I'm either thinking I have it in the car or at home.
Nice. Yep, looking good. And then I guess it'll be pretty easy to get to the throttle stuff. I mean, you could just get this going right now. Is this how you have it? It like faces this way? Like that?
Yep, exactly.
Which one goes where?
The this one goes right here, and then this one feeds through here,
Yeah.
and then on.
How's it hook on that?
It's ass, let me tell you.
Oh.
Since
Does this go on it?
that just goes on that little ball right there, yeah.
And then this sits
This
in like
throttle
this?
body actually wasn't made for
Yeah, North Star.
for this one. Yeah, the Cadillacs had a sphere on the end, not a cylinder, so I had to Dremel it, and it's ass putting in, let me tell you.
Yeah. Well, there's that. I can get this on right now.
Cool. Got the knock sensor. That's really fucking gross. That's really weird too.
Did I do this right? It looks like it's like sideways. Oh, it's just
shit.
fell off. I think you did it right.
I'm actually not tall enough to see right now. Hang on
Okay.
1 second. Probably though.
It's pretty windy.
If it fits in. Pull it back. I mean, it's almost right.
Okay.
It's almost right. It can fit. I hate how this thing is. It's a bitch. There we go. Pull it towards you. There, and then.
Oh, go sideways in there like that.
I had to retrofit it to do that.
Yeah. There we go. And then as long as it stays on tight, it should be good.
Okay.
Cool. Throttles together.
I have been looking for the thing that the
Goes in
plug.
there.
I've been looking for it forever, all day pretty much.
You should have had me look, because I would have been like, now the whole gosh dang knock sensor's on there. At least it's easy to get to on that side.
Yeah, thank God. Those grounds, fuck those grounds. On the starter, by the starter.
Does this require any gasket? There's
It
literally no
kinda
gas.
has one, but
There's no gasket on there at all.
oh shit, it's come off then. Oh well.
No, it's like an O-ring or something?
It is an O-ring. I've never replaced it, so it's just been a really shitty one the whole time, so
Yeah.
I figured it probably doesn't need one. Good, got this all cleaned up.
Cool. I'm just gonna add wire loom to this stuff because it looks dirty.
Yeah, it looks terrible like that.
Hopefully this fuel rail isn't gonna, you know, fire out.
I hope not too.
And then we'd have to take the whole supercharger
Oh,
off.
God.
What's up?
I don't know how I'm gonna put this on.
Are you sure is it 7/8?
It is 7/8.
I had a socket that fits it.
Oh, do you? Okay, good.
Well,
Because
just get,
that's
just,
the only-
you literally just need an impact, right?
Yeah, that's the only possible way it is going on.
Here, bring
That's on
that,
this socket that was underneath the car. I think it's 13/16.
let's bring it over here. Yeah, that goes to my socket set.
Hell yeah.
Let's see if this one fits better. Yeah, it fits good.
Cool. This one looks like it kind of needs one.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're getting the vacuum lines on. We actually had to remove the coil packs again and the radiator hose. We got the fan shroud in again, all plugged in, and yeah, we're getting incredibly close. I don't know how much more sensors we even have.
I would say the injectors.
Did you get the, yeah, you got the crank and the cam position? Oh, you haven't got the cam position in. Oh, no, you did. Never mind. I'm a liar. Damn, that comes really close to the crank pulley.
Yeah, it does.
Hopefully that doesn't touch.
It's even tucked under.
Yeah.
Like behind as much as I could, because I'm pretty sure that's how it was ran. Because I can't remember.
I think it came up this way, but I don't know.
I tried that way, and the harness wouldn't reach. I tried like under the engine too, by the past the AC condenser.
You got the oil pressure one in, and there are two plugs back there, but that's for the EGR and PCV or whatever it is.
Yeah, and I'm even gonna tape them off and like label them that I don't use them, so I don't have to look at them and worry. Oh God, what do they go to?
We got one bolt on here. We can't find the other one. And
did you put any RTB?
No.
Okay.
Isaiah told me not to.
Okay.
Is the new PCM in?
Yep.
Nice.
So need to do some spark plugs.
Yeah, plugs,
injectors.
plug wires, and I plugged in the injectors on the back.
The O2 sensor is not going to get plugged in today. It's in, but it's not going to get plugged in.
Why not?
It just doesn't have the part of the harness that plugs it into. Because
What do you mean?
this little guy not long enough. So I need a thing that goes from here to down to the O2 sensor, and I couldn't find it here.
Oh, how did it work before? What the fuck?
It's just it had that. It had a long bit. I can't find it anywhere here. And I remember before my car died, I was taking it off and on, putting it off and on.
Did it get melted?
And no, but for whatever reason, when it was unplugged, my car would stay running.
It can run without it.
It can run without it.
Yeah.
That's
I mean, just to test fire it, we could do it.
That's the only way it would. That's the only way it worked before.
Once we get the plugs.
It might be in the car, actually.
Yeah. Once we get the plugs in, and coils on, we could theoretically just like prime it and then see if it turns over with the starter. Well, even without the ignition coils on, we could turn it over and see if it starts. Not starts, but like hear it turn over.
If we do that, then I'll have to throw some oil in her.
Yeah, that's
true. And then she could do it.
Well, you can turn it over without some oil. Not the best thing for it, but you can do it.
But I will put oil in it since I have it.
You have the drain plug in?
I don't do that little harness thing, so.
Yeah.
Whatever. Okay. I think I'm gonna take one more look underneath and then set her back down.
Yep.
Because I can't plug the injectors in with the car raised like that. Too short. And I also need to finalize the vacuum lines.
Yep.
Should be less vacuum line because I deleted a few things that needed it.
Nice.
So one thing.
Yeah, this is getting incredibly close. I would say, if not today, then the next time you're over, we can fire it up.
I definitely think the next time, if not this time.
All right, guys, we got the car back on the ground. I don't know if Tristan finished the rest of the vacuum lines. There's still some stuff. Oh, Jesus Christ!
Oh, what the fuck is leaking?
You just dropped it.
Oh God. The cap is on half-assed.
It just falls and
God
breaks
damn.
it. Why is it leaking? This is a cool thing you guys should look into. It's a no-spill coolant filler.
Don't say that yet. Wait
True.
for it to not spill or spill.
I just lift it up.
No spill.
When it goes down with this.
Yeah.
It's just gonna pour right onto the ground.
Look, it's not spilling.
Is it spilling on the ground anywhere? Oh yeah, it is.
No, it's not, is it?
No.
Okay. Wow, that was really exciting.
Engine oil. Did you get the filter on and the?
I didn't get the filter on.
Did you get the what's it called all tightened down?
What?
The drain plug.
Oh shit! Is the drain plug not tightened on it?
Is it even in there? I don't even know.
I don't know. That's the one thing I didn't actually check.
I told you to check it before you did that. Are you even gonna be able to see it down there?
Maybe.
You have to come in pretty far.
This boy.
We can pour some in and see if it drains.
Let me raise the car again.
Oh dang, we forgot to take the tape out from under the supercharger.
It's fine.
All right, we're quitting forever.
Send it.
Now
The tape will just, like, you know, burn up in the cylinders. That's
Yeah.
how that works, right?
Yeah, it'll just get sucked up.
it will just get sucked in. It's okay.
Just get the impact on it and tighten it a little bit.
Get out of here.
See, this would have been easier if you checked it when I told you to.
The fuck? I know.
Is it tight?
I don't know, Davis.
Check it.
I am.
Why aren't you faster?
Shut up.
Why aren't you faster? You could have done this more efficiently.
Hey, Davis.
Checked
Yeah?
earlier.
It tied it in.
Nice.
That's not a good thing.
All right, now lift it back up and I'll grab the jack. Is this the bolt to the motor mount? Did that fall off?
I sure hope so. Yeah, she ain't that big.
So you gotta mix coolant with that. That
No,
way
no,
you can
no.
get-
The car does that itself.
Oh shit, I dropped some. Thank you, Isaiah, for the assist.
You're welcome.
Oh no.
How much did we put in? Where we are, yeah, 3.5. So we put 1 quart in. Here you go.
We put in the whole thing.
4 quarts, I guess. Here, get off that, Tristan.
This thing only takes 4 quarts.
Because it's a small boy.
Tristan, why don't you drive a car that take 5?
Who do I look like? Ain't rich, boy.
So, is it 4 total in there? Oh, it started at 4? We're above that?
I get so.
God
Wait,
damn, why don't they,
because
like,
it's a
have
5
line
quart.
on
Yeah,
this
it's 5
thing?
quart.
Are they-
Yeah. So 1
So-
quart left, I guess. Just once it's there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I cannot tell.
You just yeet all of it in.
Yeah. More protection.
More lubrication.
Because it's starting to look like what it used to before it came out.
No, it isn't. There's not a hole in the cylinder.
Yeah.
What the fuck? I cannot see this at all.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to see how much is it. What the fuck? What?
Smart boy.
Fuck.
God. This boy.
Where's the cap?
Right. That's a cool
That's
cap.
not the right cap. Tristan, where's the
I
cap?
threw it away.
What?
Where's the cap for the oil?
Right here.
No, the cap for this oil, Davis.
It's somewhere, Isaiah. It's the blue one.
It's not.
It's the fucking blue one. All right.
It doesn't
it's
even
not the blue
fit.
one. It's not the blue one.
What'd you do with it?
I didn't do anything with it.
Is that it right there?
No, that's this.
It's a silver cap. I know the other it is. It's hiding.
Tristan, why are you so good?
Why are you pouring that in there?
To mix it, Davis.
That,
What?
No.
Full concentrate and 50-50 that's empty?
No, no. This is empty. 50. This is concentrate.
Yes.
Yeah.
So how's that
go.
mixing anything at all?
Okay, Davis. Listen here, you little shit. You pour half of that in here. You fill it up with water. Then you fill that one with water. Then you got 2.
No, you fill it with pee. Yeah. There we go.
Oh yeah.
Where are you gonna get some distilled water right now? From the garden hose?
From the garden hose.
He's gonna spill it all in the lawn. It's just gonna overflow. You got my new jack, or Isaiah's new jack, all
Yeah,
wet.
I did. Hey, you know
Cool.
what? We can hit that with
It's gonna be
garden
all
hose.
sticky now.
We can hit that with a garden hose too.
Then it's gonna rust.
He always ruining my shit.
Yeah, he does.
You're gonna
He's going to spill everything. My God.
go get the garden hose.
All right, guys. I think we're gonna go ahead and end it off here. We weren't able to get the coolant completely filled, actually, because we realized right down there on the tensioner area. I'm gonna put the camera down there just so we can see if we can get a shot. Basically, right there, where that hole is, coolant actually comes out. So I did notice that on Project F's engine when we did remove a bolt from that area, some water did come out of it. So just forgot about it, I guess. So we're looking, we can't find the right bolt size for it. We tried a bunch of different ones and none of them fit. So if you guys know what size that bolt is, you know, please let us know. That will prevent us from filling it up. We're gonna just have to keep trying with it. Tristan's just gonna complete some other stuff, get some vacuum lines finished up, but otherwise it's really close. It's got the engine oil. We do need to put the trans fluid in and the rest of the coolant. But yeah, that's unfortunately where we're at. We're gonna go ahead and end it off. Tristan will be back this week to continue with this, and I'd say next time we should be able to at least get it started. I mean, it'll have to be something pretty big to prevent us from starting it. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.